Time now is 9:46. Christmas ornaments come in all shapes and sizes, fancy and elegant, bold and bright, or fun and whimsical, and often the ones with the most meaning are made by hand. This morning, STEM Nola will combine science and DIY to bring some bling to your tree. River Landry is a sophomore from Patrick Taylor School, along with STEM Nola's Rebekah Olinde. Good morning. How are y'all doing this morning?
Good morning. We're doing
good.
well.
Good morning.
Yes, excited to be here.
So I see you have a Christmas tree over to your right, and then you've got some science stuff, we'll call it, in front of you. Tell me what we're going to do and what makes these ornaments so magical.
All right, so what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be making some crystal ornaments for your Christmas tree. It's a really simple experiment that you can do, and it's a really fun experiment for kids to do because it's something that they can have of their own to put on the Christmas tree.
Wow, okay, so that's crystal right there. That's pretty cool. All right, so take us through it. How are we going to make this?
Okay, so first you're going to need first a container and some boiling water, and then you're going to want borax. It's really easy, some simple ingredients, and so we're going to put we're going to be using 2 cups of water.
And
for our experiment.
Before we use the borax, we're going to make sure we put on our safety glasses, of course.
Safety first.
Make sure that,
I like it.
Safety first, exactly. Exactly. And we got Christmas themed safety glasses, red and green.
Excellent. I like that. All right, River, getting your safety glasses on. Perfect.
Good.
All right, and then take us through the next step. We're going to pour the borax in?
All right. So now that we have our water, what we're going to do is we're going to take our borax. We use 2 cups of water, so we're going to be using 6 tablespoons of borax. So just throw that in there. And the way this experiment works is the water, because it's boiling, it's able to dissolve the borax into it. And basically what's happening is there's a borax molecule pairing for every water molecule. And basically, as the solution cools down, this dissolved borax is going to start precipitating out. It's going to become a solid again, and it's going to attach itself to our ornaments that we have. And so right here I have a little Christmas tree, and you're just going to put that in there.
Oh.
And you're going to want to completely submerge it in the solution, and you're going to want to let that sit overnight for about 24 to 36 hours.
Okay.
And depending on how many crystals you want to grow on it. But yeah, so we have some examples of some we did earlier. This one was left in for a bit longer. That's why it's got so many crystals growing on it.
River, put the ornament down closer to the beakers there so we can see it in your close-up camera.
There you go.
A little, yeah. Let's take that other shot. Yeah. Okay. Oh wow, those are real crystals. So what's the science behind it?
Nice.
How does that work? You say the borax kind of evaporates out, is that right? Or?
So borax, basically what it's doing is it's in this solution dissolved. So it's not a solid anymore. And as the water cools down, this borax is going to start turning back into a solid like we had in the cup. And it's going to form as these really cool crystals. And if you see the crystals, they're almost like squares. It's really, really neat.
Yeah. Oh, that's so cool. And it almost, whatever color the ornament is, it's going to kind of help bring that color out. I see the green tree, the red scarf. All of that looks fantastic.
It absolutely does.
Well, hey, thanks so much, River and Rebekah. We appreciate you guys showing us this. This looks like a really fun and certainly an interesting experiment to try. You guys have a happy holidays. We'll put some science on the tree this year.
Thank you.
All right, me too.
Absolutely. We hope to see you at future STEM Nola events.
Absolutely. All right.